Okay, we are at a Filipina's mom house because she's gonna be cooking sinigang for us. Sol&LunaTV.
Actually,
She already cooked the sinigang.
We
We just here to eat it.
We were
Okay.
late because we didn't calculate how far it was from Quezon City to Taguig,
And we didn't
the
consider
sinigang is already cooked.
the rush hour traffic jam. We forgot about it. Yeah. We're living in our own world, guys.
So, in this video, we are going to ask some questions to our chef.
Yes.
And also, we are going to try authentic Filipino sinigang for the first time. I know that we already prepared sinigang once, but we didn't have all the ingredients that were required to do the dish. So we definitely did not try the correct sinigang.
Sinigang, Jonathan. We're gonna.
This is the sinigang mixture thingy. We don't have the normal one.
So good. Maybe the pork that we have here is not the same.
Maybe. No.
We couldn't get fish sauce, guys. That's why.
What?
They are telling us that they like to dip the meat in fish sauce.
Yeah, but we don't
We
have
didn't
fish
get-
sauce.
We don't have original fish
We
sauce.
improvise one and it's not gonna be the same. I am afraid that it's going to ruin it if we do it with that. So today we are going to compare it with the one that we prepare and we are going to eat it and we are going to enjoy. Yes.
Oh my God, it's here, guys. Looks delicious.
It looks like it has tayota. No, this is radish. Right?
Yes, radish.
Yeah, we didn't
We
have.
didn't have radish. Also, they add okra.
Yes.
We didn't have okra either.
There's so many things we didn't have.
We only had tomato and eggplant.
I
So
see.
basically, and some
We added
beans.
lots of tomato to our sinigang.
My mouth is watering. I feel like a queen. She's treating me like like a
She's
queen.
the food queen and the lighting.
Oh, I forgot
How excited.
green pepper.
Green pepper. To add spice. She forgot to add green pepper.
Ah,
Oy.
so we will serve it here, right?
Mommy, rice.
You want
No, you will
And
serve
rice
it
is
here
here.
or is opposite?
The sinigang here.
Yeah.
Sinigang here.
Yes.
The rice there.
Rice here.
Ay, ay, ay.
It's the green stuff.
Esta vaina, ¿cómo que se llama esa
Espinaca.
hoja? La espinaca, ajá. We didn't have that either.
Which,
Remember?
Which one?
Spinach?
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 Yeah.
Es kangkong.
It's kangkong.
We
It's
didn't,
kangkong.
we didn't
I
have
forgot
that.
we
We
didn't have
didn't have
kangkong.
any of the ingredients.
Oh my God.
You should bag some back to
I think-
Dominican Republic.
I'm excited and nervous. Here's the responsible of this beautiful feast is Tita Carmen.
Hello.
Okay, question for Tita Carmen. This is my microphone. So, The sinigang, the way you prepare it, like it's a recipe that's been passed into your family, like from generation to generation, or this is all you're doing?
Only my doing. Actually, I'm not a good cook.
Oh, oh my
cook,
God!
really,
So,
really.
So we
expectation.
believe. That's another.
We don't know. We haven't tried.
We haven't tried.
But whatever you prepare, I'm sure that is delicious because the smell is killing me.
But it's not really that sour.
Oh, it's
Yeah.
not that sour, so.
But it's sour, but not really very sour.
Okay. Should I
So
believe
you
a
can
Filipino
try.
when they say that it's not sour?
Yeah, 'cause sometimes, yeah. Well,
You have
Should
any
we
other
try
question
it?
for this?
no, I don't
Ah, okay. So
Okay.
let's dig in.
You try.
think. Let's begin.
First, I want to try the caldo. It's very sour. And yes,
This is way different than the sinigang we prepared.
yes.
It's tasty. And the one that we prepared, it was lacking something. Something was missing.
Yeah, it was missing like lots of ingredients that we didn't have.
This
Hello.
tastes like sancocho, but sour.
But sour,
Literal. Wow.
Oh my God, I love
Oh my
sinigang.
God. Yeah, now I can say I love sinigang. Thank you so much.
I love it so much that I am also applying it to my body.
Applying. Not spilling it by mistake.
yeah, it's totally.
Wow, this is so good. When I'm happy, I dance.
You know what I like the most? Is that it doesn't have eggplant.
Yeah, I did put
When
eggplant.
the
Oh, you did?
I did put eggplant. Only
Good.
okra, kangkong, gabi, and radish. Yeah, but you can put some eggplant.
Tomato too.
Yeah,
the
tomatoes also.
pork is very tender.
Yeah.
What is
Like
your
our.
technique?
Was this I?
Boil.
No, I did not boil. I just let it. Was this? The
Saute?
No, I didn't saute.
Simmer.
Yeah,
Simmer?
yeah, let it simmer.
Oh.
And then I put some tamarind powder. Yeah. And ano Jay? Binabad.
Soap.
So I soak it with pepper, black pepper, tamarind powder, and salt.
And you let it there like
For
resting
30 minutes, I soak it there. And then later on, I put it in the frying pan, and then I just rinse it.
Wow, this is very good.
That's right.
Ah,
That's right.
Ah.
so I can gain my citizenship as a Filipino. So, this is the part where my citizenship gets revoked. Because it's very difficult, you guys eating with a fork and with a spoon.
Well, sometimes we eat with our bare hands.
How about in your place?
No, he said nice.
Oh, yeah.
A spoon for soup only,
Mm-hmm.
not for solids like this.
Rice.
For solids like this is the fork. With the knife, we put it like, with the knife we put it in the fork and then we eat it. So now I have to switch.
Yeah.
Do the same.
Spoon and fork.
Yes.
Now this is now your show just became.
It's a food channel.
It's a food channel now, an eating show, no
Yeah.
longer a talk.
Well, did you see today's video? It's about food too.
No.
That is.
And if you also want to cook your style, you can put some eggplant. Tapos
That's
yung
what-
sigarilyas.
Sigarilyas is spinach.
No?
Hindi eh.
Spinach yung ano ni Papa.
Sigarilyas is cigarettes. Cigarillo.
Sure. Llegó él.
That's Kael. We also have a python. We used to have a scorpion. But it's a ball python. You know, the small one. Don't worry, it won't crawl on you.
I'm not worried.
No, Sol.
I'm not worried because I know you're not gonna introduce the
Oh,
python to me. I don't think so.
Well, I am done. I ate twice.
Okay.
I'm full.
You're full?
I'm satisfied. Thank you very much, Tita Carmen. I feel happy.
And thank you also, Jan, for
Yeah.
the invitation.
Of course.
Venir aquí de lambonas.
For this delicious meal that Tita Carmen has prepared, and wishing Tita Carmen health and prosperity and a long life.
Yes.
Salud.
Salud.
Oh,
Oh, we have to teach you how to toast as Latinos.
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Let's go.
Ah.
We say
Everybody
arriba,
center.
you put the cup up.
Ah.
We say
Arriba.
abajo, you put the cup down. Then al centro, you put the cup
A centro.
To the
to
center.
toast.
What was the first
And
word
then
again?
Arriba.
Arriba.
Arriba. Arriba.
I feel so
Showering me.
It's
Showering.
okay, let it embrace.
Okay.
Arriba,
Arriba.
abajo,
Abajo.
al centro, y
Al centro.
now pa' dentro is to the
Pa' dentro.
Yeah, because I have a shower.
champagne shower.
First of all, I need to say it's way more flavorful than the ones that we prepared.
And that's considering that Tita Carmen said that it was not that sour.
Supposedly, allegedly. Ours
So I
was
want to know what is the real sour Sinigang.
the one that we cooked was sour, but le
And
faltaba.
we added
It was
two
missing like gusto, like something.
We added 2 packages of mix, and still it was not
very water.
this flavor.
Very water.
Maybe we added too much water.
Yeah,
That's why.
I think so. And too much tomato.
We added tomato sauce,
And
like the
unhealthy.
sourness.
We added an unhealthy amount of tomato. So yeah, this is our impressions about the Sinigang. Potential favorite food in the Philippines.
Yes, we still haven't selected.
Yeah, we still
our
haven't
favorite.
selected favorite food. Yes.
So far, Sinigang, pancit canton, pares, and what else is winning?
Lumpia.
Sisig,
Lumpia and canton. Shanghai.
Shanghai.
Yes, and
5 already.
what else?
And from street food, the dynamite.
Dynamite. So good. And also, I like isao.
And
Ah,
Kwek,
you know what I like? Kare beef. So good. It reminds me of a dish that we have, mondongo. But the Cebuano said that they have mondongo too. So it might
The
be different.
Cebuano copying
But for
us.
me, the taste is like mondongo. So maybe we need to go to Cebu and try mondongo in Cebu to compare. Anyway, so we're gonna finish the vlog here, guys. Now you know we tried Sinigang for the first time.
real Sinigang.
Real Sinigang
I'm
made
gonna
by
put in the title real in capital letters.
made by Filipina hands.
We are very
Authentic.
grateful, Tita Carmen, for your hospitality.
Yes.
Oh, well.
Tita Carmen for bringing strangers to her house. How did you feel?
It's okay. You're always welcome here if you will come back.
You see, guys, it's
Warming
on
my
camera
heart.
already. Cannot
Yeah,
go back and
compromise. Thank you so much.
shout out to our verified and certified Sol&LunaTVs, especially Sherry Flor, Janice, Soju, Kenneth, Brian Cabusora, AJ Primicias, Clenjen, Eggy, Tish21, Yokagi-san, Stelberry Jen, V. Jalilla, Jan JT Teodoro, WV, Lovelia Josephe, Sawi, and Richmond 27.
Now guys, watch this video that appears right here, recommended by YouTube's algorithm especially for you. So click on it right now.